In Miami Beach, moisture is part of everyday life. Between coastal humidity, salt air, heavy rain, and tropical storms, your home's exterior doors are constantly exposed to challenging conditions. If your current doors are swelling, warping, rusting, or allowing water to seep inside, it may be time for an upgrade. When shopping for replacement doors in Miami Beach, moisture resistance should be at the top of your checklist. The right features will help protect your home, improve comfort, and extend the life of your investment. Here's what to look for. Moisture-resistant door materials. The material of your replacement door plays the biggest role in how well it handles humidity and rain. Fiberglass doors are one of the best choices for Miami Beach homes. They resist swelling, cracking, and warping even in high humidity environments. Unlike wood, fiberglass won't absorb moisture, making it ideal for coastal climates. Steel doors with proper protective coatings also perform well. They are strong and insulated, but it's important to choose models with rust-resistant finishes to prevent corrosion from salt air exposure. Wood doors, while beautiful, often require frequent maintenance in humid conditions and may not offer the same long-term durability without consistent sealing. Insulated cores to prevent condensation. Moisture problems don't just come from the outside. Condensation can also form on poorly insulated doors when indoor and outdoor temperatures differ. High-quality replacement doors include insulated polyurethane cores. These cores help maintain a stable interior surface temperature, reducing the likelihood of condensation buildup. In Miami Beach, where air conditioning runs frequently, insulated doors help manage the temperature difference between cool indoor air and humid outdoor air. Advanced weather stripping systems. Even the best door material won't perform well if water and humid air can sneak through gaps around the frame. Look for replacement doors that include compression weather stripping, multi-point sealing systems, adjustable thresholds, tight-fitting door sweeps. These components create a barrier against wind-driven rain and moisture infiltration. When properly installed, they help keep interior spaces dry and comfortable. Durable frame materials. The door slab is only part of the equation, the frame matters just as much. Vinyl and composite frames are highly resistant to moisture and won't rot like untreated wood. Aluminum-clad frames with protective finishes also provide additional defense against salt air corrosion. Choosing a moisture-resistant frame ensures the entire door system performs reliably in Miami Beach's coastal environment. Rust-resistant hardware. Salt air can accelerate corrosion, especially on hinges, locks, and handles. When selecting replacement doors, look for stainless steel hinges, corrosion-resistant lock systems, coastal-grade hardware finishes. These small details make a big difference in long-term durability and appearance. Proper flashing and installation. Even the most moisture-resistant door can fail if installed incorrectly. Professional installation ensures proper flashing, sealing, and waterproofing around the opening. Correct installation prevents water intrusion behind the frame, one of the most common causes of hidden structural damage. In Miami Beach, where heavy rainstorms are common, expert installation is essential for lasting performance. UV-resistant finishes. Sun exposure can break down protective coatings over time, allowing moisture to penetrate surfaces. Choosing replacement doors with UV-resistant finishes helps maintain both appearance and durability. High-quality finishes prevent fading, cracking, and peeling, preserving your door's moisture resistance year-round. A smart investment for Miami Beach homes. In a coastal climate like Miami Beach, moisture resistance isn't optional, it's essential. From fiberglass construction and insulated cores to advanced weather stripping and corrosion-resistant hardware, the right replacement door features protect your home against humidity and rain. By choosing moisture-resistant replacement doors and professional installation, you ensure long-term durability, improved comfort, and peace of mind, no matter what the weather brings.